Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Okay, so in this one, it's a little bit of robot development. So, I don't know if you saw the last video about this robot battle thing that I'm planning on doing. So this was the original robot. As you can see, it's pretty shit, you know. It doesn't even have 3 wheels. It did have a caster wheel on it, but that was pretty crap, so I put this thing on. But obviously it catches on everything that it goes up. So, what I decided, I also wanted to reduce the height as well, okay? Right, so for the last sort of week or so, I've been redesigning this one. I mean, clearly it's in a completely different ballpark kind of thing. It's using the same drive system and it's using the same electronics, it's just done more efficiently. So you can tell by the height, straight off, you know, it's quite a bit better. So it's going to be more stable, it's wider, it's not going to get stuck, it's practically 4-wheel drive sort of thing. Yeah, more space, more potential to mount things on top, and yeah, it's just generally better in every single way. Right, so I'm just going to control these a little bit now, just so we can see how they interact, that kind of thing. Okay, so that'll do for the battle. Right, so you can see, yeah, after all that epic fight and all that craziness, it's pretty clear that Mark 1 has actually got a lot better traction. I think it's probably just because these have got it's got rubber bits on the wheels, and it's not really fair because, well, I mean, I suppose you can't really say it's fair because this one's got tracks. This one probably needed all the help it could get, but yeah. I mean, I got an option, I could put some rubber bits on the tracks, but each one of the robots, has got 90 pieces of track in it. So to reprint all of them with bits of rubber, or to stick a little piece of rubber on every single one, that's going to be right pain in the ass. So I'm not sure, I think we'll see how it goes. I mean, you know, it could be like, maybe the traction is the only thing this one's got going for it, and this one is just better in every other way. Yeah, so what I was thinking, like, because I haven't got the online thing sorted out, maybe trying to program these so that they can battle each other themselves. I got a nice round table, which I think is going to be the first arena. I just need to sort it all out because it's covered in crap at the moment. There's loads of stuff, loads of junk, like an old BB-8, an old hoverboard car with a gun unit that doesn't even work, a broken 3D printer. Anyway, the table is underneath it. So that's going to be the first arena. I'm going to put sides on it, all that kind of stuff. Obstacles, flamethrowers, rail guns, all that kind of stuff, all kind of explosives, that kind of stuff. I just hope that I don't burn my house down while I'm making it. Okay, so this is the insides of the little radio control 3D printed tank. Right, so it's running on an Arduino ESP8266, and it's got an AMS 1117 5-volt module. Okay, so because it's powered from a 9-volt battery, I've got the power going from the 9-volt battery to this 5-volt regulator, which then goes to the ESP. So we're only running one battery, and it makes it a lot easier. I haven't even got to take the cover to switch out the battery, I just plug it in the back. You can see the terminals inside there, so I literally just plug it in, clip it in, push it in, and that's it, done. So it's powered by these two high-powered 12-volt DC worm gear drive motors. I wasn't sure if 9 volts would be enough, but it seems fine, so that's great. We've got the little motor control in there, and yeah, that's it. There isn't really a lot in here at the moment, but in terms of expansion, I think we've got 3 pins that are spare on here. So we're only using D5, D6, D3 and D4, so we've still got D1, 2 and 7 and 8, so that's okay. Right, the next thing I'm going to do with this is probably, I might make some sort of like a flipper thing on the back so that it can carry stuff. You know, like these dumper vehicles, so it'll have, instead of having this plastic piece that goes on top, there'll be another piece that sits on top with like a bucket in the back almost, and a little servo, so I could press the button on the controls and it'll tip this up like that. So if it's carrying some balls or some cargo, that kind of thing, it'll be able to drive up to the location where it wants to drop them off, lift up, drop them off, and then drive over to the collection point to get some more.